Okay, we're back. Nice truck. I think he wants $30,000 for that. These are more new. That's Johnny's there, I think. That Hellcat. Nice Challenger. 6-pack. Opar. Definitely. Gotta hurry up here because I'm running out of battery. Real nice GT.
All right, folks, it's time for the first door prize drawing of the evening. Our first door prize tonight is a Summit Racing Equipment backpack, courtesy of Summit Racing. So if you got a door prize ticket, go ahead and get it out. I'm going to draw the number right now.
I love these cars. If I didn't have mine, I'd like to have this.
All right, door prize winning ticket number
Torchlight automatic.
286-110.
Nice. It was plumb crazy.
If the ticket ends
Good
in
color.
110, you're a winner. We got a winner right here.
The GTX over there. Nice Cadillac.
Oh, Jesus.
I don't do new cars.
All right,
Nice Challenger.
Door prize winner. If you haven't already done so and you got a vehicle in the show, come on up to
Another
the DJ
GTO.
booth and get a door prize ticket.
Nice Fairlane. 56, 427. Nice little Nova. Like I said, I don't do new cars. Nice old truck. Beautiful roadsters. These things are gorgeous.
So what do you say? I already saw the car from leaving. The dude.
That is gorgeous.
So when I first got
Another Fairlane. Yeah, Plymouth Fury. Nice. Yeah, it looks like that's it.